Valued Pack class, where creativity meets practical skill. In today's class, I will be showing you how you can be able to import fonts into Pixellab, like import new fonts that you downloaded into Pixellab. So now, first thing to do is I'm going to teach you how to download fonts. Fonts is a typographical style, like the typographical style that you use to type, like different typeface is what font is. Stylish fonts, we have stylish fonts, fancy fonts, and sans serif fonts. So for you to download font, there are different websites to get fonts from. One of them is DaFont. This is it. Now click on search in your Chrome browser or Bing or Firefox, anyone you are using. You can find this website there. If you enter this website, this is the interface. All these things here are called fonts. These are all fonts. So now, assuming I want to download a font, I will go and search for sans serif font here. I'm going to search for it here and search for it. This is what we call sans serif fonts. All these fonts here are called sans serif fonts. So if the one that I want is not here, or I didn't like any of these, I'll keep scrolling. But assuming I like this particular one, I like this cool vertical, I'm just going to click on here and download it. Just click there, download. It will just enter your phone. I'm just going to select the ones I want. I have Stretch Pro. Let me go ahead and click on next. Yes. So now let me take this font and I won't be taking much so that this video won't be that long. And this particular one, restful silent. Now I download it as well. Okay, now after downloading those fonts, the next thing to do is I'm going to go here to your file manager, like your file or your internal storage. Go over to it and now click on download. Here you will see all those fonts you just downloaded now. The 3 fonts I downloaded. See them here, these 3 things. They are in zip file. So I'll first of all extract them. If you have ZArchiver, you can extract with it, but I don't have that. I have that, but I'm going to just click on it so that it will be easy for you, so that you won't go to Play Store to download another application. So just extract it from here. Extract. Click on delete the zip file. Click OK. Select the second one. Extract. Give it time, it's loading. Click on the third one, click on extract and give it time to extract zip file and click on done. Boom, we have finally extracted all the fonts. See it all here. The next thing I'm going to do is that I like to add them in a folder so that I won't be confused. I will just click on them, select those fonts you extracted, select them all, select it, and this one. Now click on move. What's going on? Click on this place, move to. Now you can decide to create a new folder and write font 2 and move it inside it. The next thing to do is I'm going to open your Pixellab application here. Open it up, and after you have opened it up, just click on your text tool and add a new text like this thing. Now while selecting it, go ahead and click on fonts. If you click on fonts, now go over to my font, click on this particular folder icon here, click on it, locate that file you created, that folder you created, font 2. This is it. See all the fonts we downloaded, just click on add directory. Boom, all the fonts will just appear here. So guys, I believe you learned something from this particular tutorial. Go ahead and download new fonts and add it up in your Pixellab so that your works will be cool. Thanks for being part of this class. See you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and